Sharik. Today's session I will cover CentOS Firewall. And CentOS, as you aware about CentOS and RedHAT, Linux is similar. There is a little bit difference. And in today's session, I will complete cover how to install firewall, how to enable firewall in the CentOS server, how to disable firewall in CentOS server, how to start firewall in CentOS server, how to stop firewall, and how to check the state of firewall. And first thing we need to know about why firewall is required. What is the it is a trust level. You can say it's a trust level between zone and network connection. Network connection or network interface. Firewall provide a number of features including allow and deny incoming and outgoing traffic. You can say a firewall can is able to control the level of incoming and outgoing traffic, and we can create a firewall zone. We can define firewall rules. We can manage firewall services. We can enable firewall. We can disable firewall. We can check the state of firewall. We can stop firewall. So this is the process. This is the a little overview about firewall in CentOS server. First, so now I am going to start how to install firewall in CentOS server, CentOS or Red Hat Linux. So here I am using yum installer, and if you are going to install in CentOS 8 server, you can use DNS. Okay, so here the installation firewall install command is sudo. I'm a root user. I can use a sudo or no. It's depend on me. So actually I don't need, but I'm using over here. The installing command is yum install firewall ld. F1y is yes. So once I will press, while type sudo yum install firewall ld F1 yes. Once I will type over here yum install firewall ld. The installation done, and it's saying we are having firewall package 0.63 and 13e17-9 underscore 9. So as you can check here, once I have installed firewall, I firewall is already installed in my already installed and latest version in my CentOS server. So after installation of firewall, I need to enable my firewall. If we are having firewall in say default, you can say in default, once we are installing CentOS server, it's default. Its default come with the while we are installing CentOS server. Its default comes with CentOS machine, CentOS server or CentOS machine. So if we are don't, if we are not having say a firewall, we can install firewall like same which I have applied. Yum install firewall LD. Okay. So once I have installed firewall, we need to enable firewall. So enable firewall command is systemctl enable firewall LD. As you can check over here, once I have installed, I need to enable my firewall. Sudo systemctl enable firewall. Once I have enabled firewall, I didn't get any error while I have enabled my firewall. Once I have done this, I need to start my firewall. So as you can check here over here, systemctl start firewall. After the enable firewall, what is the process to enable? What is the yum start firewall? Once I have typed yum start, sorry for that, systemctl start firewall. Okay, as you can check over here, systemctl is the process to start, enable, disable, stop the firewall. Systemctl start firewall. Once I have started the firewall, I can check the status of my firewall. As you can check over here, what is the status of my firewall? So systemctl status firewall. Now my firewall is active. It's running. There is no any kind of error. I didn't get any error. So allow zone. It's define the zone. We can define the zone in firewall. We can create the zone. We can we can manage the zone in network interface. It's increasing the its interest level between interface and network connection between zones. So once I have done this, we can check over here my firewall status is running. This is the simple process to install firewall and enable firewall and disable firewall. Once you want to disable firewall, you need to type system CTL, SYSTM system CTL stop. If I don't want firewall, we just need to stop system CTL stop firewall. If we want to disable firewall, system CTL disable firewall. If we want to enable firewall, system CTL enable firewall. If we want to check the status of firewall, we can just type systemctl status firewall. So this is the overview, and practically I have described you every step: how to install firewall, how to enable firewall, how to check the status of firewall. This is the simple process to install, enable, and disable firewall. If guys, if you are having any kind of doubts in how to install firewall, how to enable, what is the purpose of fire, why do we require, you can just ping me, or you can ping me or my this blog querypanel.com, or you can also ping me in my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is IT blogger Bihar. Guys, thanks for watching.